Guys, it's 4:45. Hi Wycombe Leisure Centre, just to my right, and Cliff Harvey's arrived. Let's get down there with the models, meet all the guys. I haven't seen anybody I like yet. Haven't seen anybody carrying any models yet, but I've got my 2 big boxes of planes, so I'll see you in there. Exciting. Right, I'm going to give the DH2 a go. Oh, the chances of a mid-air though are slim. Is it?
It divides into 3, and
so the net's up. Whoa! Sorry, that was me.
what were you saying about a mid-air?
Oh, I think I might be landing. Yeah, I'm down. Out of battery. SE5.
Yeah.
Repairs.
It's very, very nose heavy for some strange reason.
Ah, I had to add nose weight to mine.
Did you?
Battery out on that one.
Yes, a couple of times. Yes, and I've bought one of them.
Is that homemade?
Vintage Model Company. It's one of their rubber band
Yeah,
modified.
1S.
Yeah.
What's the covering?
So light. The same
Okay.
as I put on the little red and black spook up there.
Yeah.
And it flew better with the original prop was the little black plastic one that came with the Champ, or
Yeah.
was off the donor then.
Yeah.
Then I found this one, which is one of the scale props that I think Microaces do use.
Uh-huh.
And I think it's a slightly bigger prop, and it's just given me a bit more thrust than I wanted. So, believe it or not, there is a bit of
Yeah.
tendency to want to wing it. It is what it is, guys.
Yeah,
It's,
beautiful.
Up close,
Yeah.
it's not that beautiful. No,
No,
it's
no,
probably-
it is. It is.
but
That's very
I got
nice.
away with it. I did
Yeah.
what they said on the box. And
Yeah, that's very nice indeed.
I think it says it all, the fact that the calibre of pilot Shuttleworth have to let to fly them.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not just talking about a couple hundred hours in the system. No, almost all without exception test pilots.
Yeah.
Right. Unfortunately, I saw one ground with the Bristol on the
Oh, you did?
just unlucky.
Oh, John, I was about to shoot you down with a Fokker, but
in the box with me. It's a nice kit.
yeah. Well, yeah, all beautiful kits, aren't they?
I think he's got the size right for me.
Oh, battery's going. I'm going for a walk. I'm going for a walk.
Go for a walk. These Canadian and American sets.
I
And that's why I went. That's why I went with the capital, because I was enjoying the
I think I'm ready.
I've got a YouTube channel. Oh, right. Central RC. Okay. Been going for about 13 years. Right.
Right. Oh.
Guys, got the camera still.
Let's go. I'll hand launch it.
I think it's the camouflage on it.
Oh, could be. How do you feel seeing all your microaces in the air?
It's brilliant, isn't it?
It is superb, isn't
I
it?
remember doing a tiger moth.
No. Too new. Too many planes. Hand launch, John.
So what is this one? It's a triplane.
Stop with triplane, yeah.
With triplane.
Yeah. Yeah.
Does it take longer to build because it is a triplane, would you say? Maybe not a lot in it.
Not really. I mean, no. Not really. You just take your time, you know, because they're so such pleasant little builds, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, just take your time. There's no rush, is there? It's a hobby. If you had to do it for business, it wouldn't be so good, would it?
It wouldn't be so much fun.
No, no. But
It's brilliant in the air.
yeah, hand launched all right, didn't it? It's funny that because it's taken off okay up to now, but I only made it a couple of weeks ago.
Well, once in the air, it looked fantastic.
It does, doesn't it?
Really well.
Yeah, yeah, it does. Yeah.
Well done.
Because that's all right. You'll be on my YouTube channel as well. So
Oh, you got it. Okay. Let me know what's it.
I have.
Cliff. Yes. All right.
I've only got 300 subs, but
So to my subscribers out there, please subscribe to Cliff Harvey RC Plane.
Are you going to go straight out?
Try not to take me out this time.
We'll take off
We're
together.
going to see some formation flying.
Oh yes.
We'll take off together.
You're off, are you?
Whoop, whoop.
Seems to catch us.
I think it's when people open the door. Oh no, as soon as you come in.
Ah,
Yeah, I couldn't remember which one was flat.
this is just such fun, isn't it? Oh, he's back. We got a target now. He's.
Where are you gone?
Far side.
Oh, I think I'm in your gun sights now.
Oh, you're tricky.
Do you see your wings wobble with the air? Yeah. Yes, we're not spoke. We're on the same side, you know.
Oh yeah, we are. Well,
Yeah.
no, I've done like a German one.
So am I.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
well we're after Matt then.
We are. Where's he gone?
Where's he gone?
He's in the clouds. He's hiding in the clouds somewhere.
Yeah, here we are.
Oh, here he comes.
You're down, mate. Yes, Robbie, you're out.
Hey guys, I'm going to stop editing right now just for a minute. Part one's getting a bit long. I don't want to cut out any more than I have to. So I'm going to make a second part, which is, if you click here, part 2, and continue watching. It's just I didn't want to make it overly long in one upload. So enjoy the little combat and close flying session we're about to do. And thanks for looking in.